Are you ready to experience unlimited streaming freedom with your Firestick? Dive into a world of IPTV with the best provider, 2TV Store. Contact their customer support, Nancy, for tailored advice. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to easily download IPTV on your Firestick. First, enable apps from unknown sources in your Firestick settings for a smooth setup. Next, head to the home screen and select the search icon to find the downloader app. This will be your gateway to a world of IPTV content ready to explore. After downloading the app, open it and input the specific link provided by 2TV Store. This step is crucial for accessing their incredible content library seamlessly on your Firestick. Once the installation process is complete, explore the vast IPTV content. Enjoy diverse shows, sports, and movies, all tailored perfectly to your preferences with easy navigation. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your Firestick into a powerful IPTV hub. Enjoy the freedom and enhanced viewing experience. Visit 2TV Store today and keep streaming limitless entertainment.